Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Groupme account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started and into the URL box type in www.groupme.com and press enter on a keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your Groupme account that you'd like to delete, and then from the main home page, click on your profile icon at the bottom left. From this page, scroll all the way down and click on this delete Groupme account link. If you continue to delete this account, your content associated with the account will also be deleted from this device and you won't be able to log back in to your account. To continue your account deletion, click continue in the pop-up. Now, if you're an owner of a group, simply go ahead and transfer your ownership to someone else, or you can simply end the group. Click on end group and click yes in order to do that. And now, enter the password for your Groupme account in the text box. After typing in the correct password, click continue, and there you'll end up in the main homepage for Groupme. If you ever wish to get access to your account, you can log in back to your account within 48 hours of deletion. If you don't restore your account within 48 hours, it will be deleted permanently and you won't be able to get it back again. That is how you can easily delete your Groupme account quick and easy if you no longer want to use the service. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.